Let's talk about identifying brake wheel kits. But before we do, we'll quickly review what makes a quality wheel kit. Everything you need in one box. 2 new line shoes with 1 complete hardware kit for most heavy truck applications, from lowboy trailers to shoes as wide as 8 5/8. With these reduced stopping distance compliant ceramic and semi-met brakes, we've got you covered. And of course, they're all new, so no cores. Also, Gold4 steel shoes are heat treated for long life, E-coated to prevent rust jacking, and come with powder-coated springs and premium pins and rollers. For high heat applications and the lowest cost per mile, select ceramic friction. Or, if low price is what you need, choose semi-met for over the road. The choice is yours. Now, let's see how to look up the right part number on our website. Visit gold-force.com, click Competitive Cross Search. Either type the full or partial competitor part number here, or type the product description here, and find the correct Gold4 part number to help your customer. The competitive cross search function is the easiest way to look up a part. However, if this didn't work, let's grab a tape measure and use the Gold4 catalog instead. If you don't have a hard copy, you can access it on the website. On the home page, click Catalog and Literature on the menu, and then click the button here. Using the index, go to the wheel kits page, and then look at the Requires 6 Simple Steps section. First step, A. Measure the width of the shoe. Now, go to the table on the following page, look in column A, and find choices that match this width. Second step, B. Measure the drum diameter, or look for this info cast on the outside of the drum. Third step, C. Look at the shape of the brake shoe end and compare it to the pictures. Fourth step, D. Count the number of webs. Congratulations! In 4 easy steps, we have identified this as an 059 series shoe, and you can select the friction that best meets the performance level desired from the 4 numbers listed. In some cases, if the shoe is still not identified, you can further refine your selection by using specific shoe features to identify other characteristics. This info is listed in column E on the table, or can be seen in the shoe illustrations on the next page to make your final choice. Thanks for watching, and please remember, Gold4 wheel kits have heat-treated and E-coated steel shoes, plus premium hardware for long life. And don't forget, they're brand new, so no cores.